watching another video. So I don't know if you guys can see it through camera, but the car has never been this shiny. It took off like a bunch of the black spots on the bumper, and the car just looks like way more vibrant. So I'm like super happy. Check this out, guys. Look what it does. It literally slides off the car now. And this is what I think he calls nano protection, right?
It's like ceramic coat, but very simple, adds a layer, so that's what makes it slide off. So that's what happens when we have pure products.
Dude, that's dope, dude. My car's never done this, so it's like fun. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the finished product when it comes to like them detailing it. It came out super clean. I'm super happy with the outcome. They are gonna roll with me today to a car meet out in Westminster, California, and of course get a nice little POV drive of the DSM because I know you guys love it. So yeah, let's get going, let's see what happens, and let's have some fun. How do you guys like these night vlogs? I know you can't really see as much as daytime, but if you guys like them, I'll probably do them more, like start documenting all my car nights. Or night car meets. Made it to the gas station. Now we can see your car in the light. This is an actual rally car, huh?
Yep.
Damn.
Third gravel, baby.
Yeah. Well, you're here by yourself. It looks like you have neon underglow. What the heck? You got a Lambo pulling up? Who's JC?
There we go. That was great.
Wait. Is that Jay? No. Bro, where's your Evo? You just bring a Lamborghini? Must be nice, bro.
Surprise.
Bro, this thing goes hard. How do you do this? Oh.
It's low.
Dude, what? Damn, look at the carbon in this thing. This thing is sick. Suburbo competition. Must be nice.
Must be nice.
You got those? You got those?
What up? What's good, bro? How you doing, bro?
Good to see you, my guy.
Likewise, man. Take care, dude. Is that the famous Illicity?
Oh my god! I'm your biggest fan!
Nah, that was so annoying to find. Had to park like on the side. This thing is packed.
You wanna go get tea?
Yeah, we'll go right now, bro. Just checking. Getting a little bit of blow by on the catch can. But everything else looks fine for now. Y'all trying to get boba or what?
Yes.
I
I like aggressive cars like that. I like that aggressive setup.
don't know. Alright. Then we got the Tilty boys.
Where's the rest of the family?
Bruh. It's so weird coming to a car meet and vlogging.
Oh yeah.
And this is the line to some boba. I know. That looks good. You on live right now or what? That's good. Say what's up, guys.
Look, you guys are on his newest vlog.
You out here at Tisane.
It's Tasani, not Tasane.
Tasani?
Bro.
My bad.
Tasani.
Oh shit. You went out there just for that?
Famous guy JP Zilla.
We're all vlogging out here.
This is like, it's Vlogger Central or what?
Miguel DSM.
Vlogger, oh, we got Emily too with the camera. Wake up all over my camera.
Sorry, I just like to take this in every 10 minutes.
Yeah, I could tell. Stick to me.
That's how host.
It's like a club out here, huh? Now we're just out here waiting at a car meet. What's up?
Hi.
Yeah.
He's always
about
eating,
Marissa?
that's why.
Bro, look at these. Check these out. Carne asada tacos.
Where are we at? Do you know the name of the place?
Okay, we'll do another video with the better taco spots.
Can you eat any sexier?
You really are his biggest fan.
I'm just like, oh my goodness. I wish I was at taco right now. Miguel's currently dying.
Not good.
I guess the chile went down the wrong hole.
Miguel, note to you later, please put this in the video.
Guys, it's Miguel DSM. And oh my goodness, this is so out of focus. Hello. Hello.
It's so out of focus.
Literally. What's wrong with your camera, Miguel? Oh, am I too zoomed in? Is that why?
Yeah, that's probably what
It's still, oh, there
it is. There it is.
Alright, so we got Miguel DSM. He's filling in because the real one is dying right now.
So yeah, the meet is pretty fun. There's a lot of cars.
Yeah.
And it's really
We love it
varied.
here.
Or there's a lot of variety, I should say.
Yep, we love it here. Can you give us a brief description about your vehicle, sir?
My vehicle?
Yeah.
Well, it took a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of headaches. But I mean,
Really?
even after a fire, she's still alive. What can I say? Old Betsy. As the dealer said, my next big mistake, I didn't want to slap the car. But I put a lot of work. I'm telling you, we got Evo things and a DSM, which is beautiful because Japan.
Exactly,
JDM,
exactly.
better than any DM. Even though it's a DSM and it's usually broken first. RFP, the first motor. I got a better motor though. It's okay. We all coming up better. We're all coming. And,
Is he the new Miguel DSM? Yeah, he is.
well,
He's
I'm actually pretty good at
substituting.
this.
He's like, is that a BMW?
No.
Bruh, go home. I want that hood. Sick ass. Hey, isn't that Wally's Evo? It is. We got some blue Supras. Right. Correct. Yeah. We got some Evos.
Is that Miguel?
What's good, bro? How you doing?
What's up, Miguel? This is.
Bro? How you doing? How you doing?
Bro.
Another Evo. We got this guy. Watches my videos. He just told me he's about to fly a drone.
About to see some sick ass drone footage right now. Are y'all ready for this shit?
Ready, bro? Go for it. Oh snap! Bro, thing's gone. Oh, bro, I don't know how you can't crash that, bro.
Hey, y'all, what's your favorite?
Alright guys, I'm pretty much gonna end the video here. That was just a quick little car meet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.